Before we start example 1, I just want to show you a couple little things. If we start with our function, just a basic exponential function of something like y equals a to the x, I want you to write down maybe on the top of your note sheet just the rules that we are looking at in terms of exponential growth versus exponential decay. If a, which is our base, is greater than 1, this represents exponential growth. And if a is bigger than 0, but less than 1, that's going to indicate, that's going to indicate that we have exponential decay. So as we start going through the equations in example 1, you're looking for that base, that a value, the number that's going to be raised to that exponent. If it's bigger than 1, it's exponential growth, and if it's between 0 and 1, it's going to be exponential decay. So let's take a look at example 1. It says determine whether the following functions represent exponential growth or exponential decay, and how do you know? We have y is equal to 6 to the x minus 8. And what we need to look at is the base. The base is going to tell us what we need to know. So the base is the one that's going to be raised to the x value, which is the 6. Since that 6 is bigger than 1, we can say that this is exponential growth. So we can say growth because the base, which is 6, is greater than 1. Next, let's take a look at letter B. We have g of x equal to 2 over 7 raised to the x minus 3. So we're looking for the base, the number that's being raised to that variable. Even if that variable has something else added or subtracted to it, that's fine. This is still our base, which is 2 over 7. And 2 over 7 is a number between 0 and 1. So that tells us that we're going to have exponential decay. So here we would say decay because the base, 2 over 7, is between 0 and 1. Next, I would like you to pause it and do the try this. Unpause it when you're ready to check your answer. If you did it correctly, you should see that number 1 is growth because the base 4/3 is greater than 1. If you're unsure about fractions, divide it, 4 divided by 3, and see what you get. You'll get a number that's bigger than 1. And then number 2 is decay because the base, which is 3/5, is between 0 and 1. Again, 3/5 is the one that's being raised to the x, just like 4/3 is the number raised to the x. The other numbers don't matter. If you have questions, let me know.